welcome to OTRC. It's Sport Mod, race number 1 of event number 3. These trucks, the middle class in the OTRC hierarchy, but these are quick little monsters, and it's hot here today. You know the track is going to be getting dusty. The track crew's been working feverishly trying to keep moisture in the track. Can these high-powered trucks keep a grip as they corner around these big sweeping corners on this swooping insanity-style track? It's going to be exciting. Stay tuned. Let's check out the qualifying highlights. Starting things off, Taurus Jeremy Mark with a 925, the TQ for Sport Mod 1. El Toro Loco Zombie, Chris Hackinson, 944. Wildfoot, Mike Spurlock, followed by Wildside with Spurlock. Spurlock with the 3-4 position. All these trucks under the 10-second marker all the way through 7th place. We'll have to see how it unfolds, but it all starts with Taurus. Our first pair up is JB Scale Graphics, Caleb Jasinski racing against Orange Fury 2, Chris Blank. A 16-17 matchup, Blank loses it in the final corner and JB Scale takes the win. The 825 matchup, Roadhog Iron Aaron James against King Kong Chris Lane, the number 25 qualifier. James out in the lead, and James takes the win. The Punisher, number 9, Fred Coors against We Wrap Anything, the number 24 qualifier. Only one pass this year in qualifying, so a driver has to be on point, not always reflective in the qualifying results, but this time out, the top qualifier takes it, the number 9 Punisher. Mongoose in Chain Reaction. We've already seen Iron Aaron James on the track, so he's back at it. He's got a feel for the track against the Mongoose, but Mongoose out in the lead. And the goose is loose. Jeremy Mark with the win. The Bulldozer laying some smoke on the track as Austin Grosier's Bulldozer ready to go against Maximum Effort. Oh no, but devastation for the Dozer. Dozer hung up on the first obstacle or mechanical issues, handing the win to the Aerostar Maximum Effort. Equalizer, Chris Parrish against Bad Habit and Jared Hockaday. A new identity for this event with Hockaday, but he is in trouble. Stuffs it into a tire turn marker, and Equalizer takes the win. This next race we're going to hit replay on because this was a bit of an odd one between Power Wheels Bigfoot and Barefoot Racer. Barefoot dead in the water on the line, and Power Wheels struggling with servo issues. Ultimately, Barefoot finally got going, Power Wheels pulls off the track, and Barefoot is awarded the win. We're back to normal monster truck racing with Little Tiger facing off against Grey Bigger Evolution. Salerno with some prior mechanical issues seems to have them sorted out as Little Tiger takes that win. Salerno right back up on the line with the incredible TMNT truck facing off against Toodles, and Toodles with a very awkward leap in all kinds of trouble. The turtle just has to crawl around the track and does just that. Last pair in round number 1, it's the Thunder Chicken against Metal Hell. Chris Lane against Devin Treat, neck and neck on the back straight. The Chicken pulls out a lead on the final straightaway for the win. Round number 2 of action brings our top qualifier to the line for the first time. Taurus facing off against number 16 JB Scale Graphics, owned by Caleb Jasinski. Top qualifier looking strong as the Bulls got the horns today. Roadhog, Iron Aaron James, and the Punisher, driven by Fred Coors. This is an 8-9 matchup. Both of the higher seeds advancing from round number 1. A good matchup through the first couple corners, and Roadhog by a truck and a half. Mongoose facing off against the Wild Side. Wild Side, the number 4 qualifiers. Spurlock, strong today in qualifying, back-to-back qualifiers. Neck and neck into the final corner, but the Mongoose takes the win. Number 5, Orange Thunder 2 against HH Maximum Effort, the incredible Aerostar van from Fred Kurz, but Kurz in trouble. Blank blistering the backside of the track. Blank on rails with the Thunder bringing the hurt. Equalizer, Chris Parrish in the near lane against El Toro Loco Zombie from Chris Hackinson. Issues for Zombie in the far lane. Equalizer cruising around the track safely to the victory. Barefoot Racer facing off against Little Tiger. This is the number 7 and 10 matchup. Should be a good matchup on paper. Oh no! Salerno's been battling some issues and they reared their head again. Little Tiger dead on the starting line. Barefoot moves to round 3.
Drivers, are you prepared to race?
TMNT, Andy Salerno against Mike Spurlock and the Wildfoot JR edition. The former Clodbuster from Josh Rhodes, still looking strong just like when Josh had it. Spurlock carrying on the legacy.
Drivers ready.
The Thunder Chicken versus the Bull, El Toro. Chicken versus Bull. Who do you want? Pinkalicious versus the big yellow chicken. El Toro off in the far lane. Oh, everybody's in trouble. Thunder Chicken cutting through the corner. It was tight at the finish line. Wow, let's take a look at that train wreck again. A great start to the race. Chicken a little bit wide. Toro got the power down, but blows the entry to the corner. Chicken makes up a lot of ground, but El Toro recovers, and then all out of shape on the back straightaway for both trucks. El Toro upside down, recovers, gets the power down, and to the finish line by about a half a truck. El Toro Loco squeaks one out. Round number 3 of action brings Roadhog Aaron James against the top qualifier Taurus Jeremy Mark. A number 1 and number 8 matchup. Neck and neck so far. Issues for Taurus in the far lane. Yes, penalty. The win's going to go to Roadhog.
Drivers ready.
Mongoose facing off against Orange Thunder 2 on the line right now. Mark back to back. Thunder's looked really good, but Mongoose is tough. Mongoose right there, but he hits a turn tire and hands the win to Orange Thunder.
Drivers ready.
Equalizer, Chris Parrish facing off against Barefoot, driven by Chris Parrish as well. An all-Parrish matchup. Equalizer off to the lead as Barefoot has issues and Equalizer takes down the competition.
Drivers, are you ready?
El Toro Loco, Pinkalicious in the far lane, facing off against Wildfoot. Josh Rhodes edition, driven by Mike Spurlock, the former Clodbuster owned by Josh Rhodes. Pinkalicious moves to the next round. Semi-final round, Roadhog Aaron James facing off against Orange Thunder 2. A little bit of a light malfunction. Driver's not ready, so resetting, trying it again. Here we go. Blanks looked really good with the Thunder. Can Roadhog keep up? Thunder, good on the tree. Blank not always strong off of the starting light, but killed it there and destroying the competition. Thunder. Feel the thunder.
All right, next up.
Our other semifinal round, El Toro Loco, Chris Hackinson facing off against Equalizer, Chris Parrish. Oh, trouble for Equalizer, losing a tire. Pinkalicious in control. Equalizer still making it around the track on 3 tires.
Bracket 1.
This is your final round. El Toro Loco Pinkalicious facing off against Orange Thunder. Both trucks look great all day long. Orange Thunder off to a lead, but Toro charging. It was tight at the finish line. What a race. An instant classic. Let's take a look back. El Toro with the jump off of the starting light, but Thunder with a great corner makes up ground on the straightaway, carrying the lead onto the back straightaway, neck and neck into the final corner, charging from Pinkalicious, but Thunder gets there first. Chris Blank and Orange Thunder take Sport Mod race number 1. What a day of racing. It's been a hot one. It's getting to some of these drivers. We'll see how that plays out in race number 2, so make sure you join us next time. It's been exciting. We've seen some wild things and some things we've never seen before. You never know what you'll get with OTRC, so make sure you join us. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, we'll see you then.